Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the motion tracking feature on CapCut PC. Alright, so you can use the motion tracking feature for tracking the object, and I'm just going to add the video with the moving object. Just import and direct to the track, and you can tracking the object with the text or sticker or just another image. You can right, I'm going to select text and add text and the full text just for the duration distance length, and I'm just going to change the text. Just for example, I'm just going to type dot only, and adjust for the font size, change the color. Alright, so you can make sure on the first frame and put the text on top the object you want to tracking, and then you can select the tracking and select motion tracking, and then for the direction you can select both, and you can enable for the scale and distance, and you can select the object you like to um, track, and then click start. So just wait for playing the motion tracking feature to your video. It takes a long time, and according to the duration of the video you can make it shorter. Right, just wait. As you can see, the text follow the object. Right, just wait until the end of the video. Alright, and this is the final effect you have on your video. So it's super simple to make tracking the object. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.